Hi everyone, welcome to our new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your VI Star Credit Union account. So watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. If you have not yet, press the notification bell so that you never miss another upcoming upload from us. Actually, it's pretty easy to log into your VI Star Union account. First of all, open up a web browser of your choice and type in www.vistartu.org and press enter on your keyboard. After that, click on this login button in the upper right corner of this site. And then type in your username and your password into the login area. If you have forgot your username or your password, click on this can sign in link from here and follow the instructions. After filling all of your details, click on this login button from here, and that's it. That is how it can be easily done. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.